Please do.
Yeah.
Yes.
Is there any recommended way of controlling the lichens and stones, headstones?
You first have to decide whether they need to be maintained or controlled. Some of them, very, very small number, would have a slight degrading effect on stone, but the main problem seems to be that people find them unsightly. That's a fairly subjective thing, and what I would recommend is that you record the stone, record any inscription or detail on the stone. There may be cases where specialist conservators may remove that lichen, but effectively after 2 years it'll all be back on again. So what the problem is, then you would have to go back and do that removal continuously, and with each removal, whether you're very, very gently scrubbing it off with cold water and a soft bristle brush, which is the only real recommended cleaning method, any other more vigorous, more chemical treatments, herbicides, or even I've seen copper wire placed at the top and allowing water to drain over, that has a toxic effect on lichens and mosses. I've seen it put on roofs to keep that sort of growth off it, but it can have it'll stain the stone, and it could cause other damage to different stones. You can get limestone from one field completely different to the limestone in the next field. It has different fissures and properties, and any chemical treatment or aggressive scrubbing of the stone is likely to cause more damage than the lichen ever will. So unfortunately it's a recurring desire for people to clean it off, but I would just caution you.
Add to that is that Owen Dalton, who will be talking afterwards, will be talking about lichen and kind of staining and so forth.